Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. If you're facing Instagram 6-digit code not received issue, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to fix it. Watch complete video to know what to do if you are not receiving Instagram 6-digit code. For example, I am going to recover my Instagram account and I am not receiving 6-digit verification code. You can click on get a new code to try again. If you still not receive verification code, don't worry, we will show you how to fix it. You have to go back and open mobile settings, then go to apps and open Instagram. Well, here you have to go to storage and cache. Now click and clear cache and clear storage. Now go back and allow all permissions if they are not allowed already. You can see the permissions are not allowed, so we will allow the permissions for Instagram app. Well, go back and open Google Play Store and update Gmail and Instagram apps. After updating the apps, you have to open Instagram and try again to get verification code. Hopefully you will now receive Instagram verification code and can log in your Instagram account. Like and share this video if it works well for you. Also subscribe our Let Me Guide channel to get more problem solving videos. Thank you.